haven't used Schwarzkopf since I was like 18, probably for a reason. Fingers crossed. Right, we're wet. Is that too much? Oh, I'm envisaging crying in my future. Oh my god, what have I done? Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to be doing, I don't know, am I having a midlife crisis? I'm not sure. I'm going to dye my hair red. I do tend to dye it red a lot. I go probably like 4 or 5 months brown, then red, then brown. It's just a cycle I do. But I'm also going to throw in there a little at-home haircut. I'm going to do Brad Mondo's butterfly haircut. I've watched a few videos, I've watched lots of Brad reacting to them as well, going wrong, going right. So I don't know, we're going to risk it. I just feel a bit like I want to live life on the edge, so we're going to do it. I've been meaning to do this video and dye my hair for like 3 days, I'm not going to lie, and my hair has just gotten greasier and greasier, but I'm like, I'm not washing it because I'm dyeing it. And tonight's the night. I am risking it for a biscuit though. My baby's sleeping, my partner's popped out for a wee old pint down the pub. I'm just going to have to pray that this baby doesn't wake up when I've got red on my hair. God, it looks awful, doesn't it? Right, so the dyes we're using now, I did get the wrong ones, I did, but I'm going to use them anyway. Schwarzkopf. I haven't used Schwarzkopf since I was like 18, probably for a reason. But usually when I pick a red, I'm sat there for absolutely ages, scrolling and scrolling. I usually try and find like a new one to try out for you guys. But this was the first one on Boots and I was like, oh, fuck it, that looks like a nice colour. So we went for that. Then after I'd ordered it, I went back and looked at it again and realised it was a semi-permanent. So I'm a bit like, eh. Usually for the first like red go, I like to go for a permanent and then I probably add on like a Directions or a, I don't know, whatever the other red hair dyes are. I usually whack one of those on the top to make it nice and bright. But this is what we've got. I'm a bit worried because I do have some greys, my roots coming through. I'm a bit panicked that it's not going to cover those, but they're here now, so we're going to try them. So I'm going to wet my hair to do the haircut first, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair because you have to shampoo before using this. Then I'm going to plonk that on. Then I'm going to leave it, and then I'm going to try not to assess the hair too much after I cut it. I'm just going to try and ignore it, put the dye on, and then whew, hopefully we have a nice like new haircut with red hair. Fingers crossed. Like my ends, they do desperately need to come off. Like they're a bit scraggly, well, they're quite scraggly to be fair. I don't know how to show you the length. Can you see it? Can you see the length? It's just like here. The back, for some reason, it doesn't grow at the same rate as the front. I'm assuming it's the way I tie my hair up, so the back is shorter, so I don't know how that's going to turn out, but we'll see. Right, I'm going to wet it, and then I'll be back. Right, we're wet. I'm just going to brush it through. This is a wet brush before anyone shits their pants, like, when I'm brushing my hair. Okay, so for the cut, I've got a little rat tail comb. He says to split it into 2, so you split it at the highest apex of your head, which I've discovered I think is just behind my ears. So I'm going to split it there as evenly as I can. You pull it forward, you put it here, and then you pop the back portion at the highest point you can possibly get it. I haven't rewatched a video before this, and I watched it last 2 days ago, so hopefully I don't fuck it up. I can't see. I already have a short sort of fringe. Is this going to be an issue? I feel like this is going to take me ages. I'll be back. I look like what's her face on The Grudge. I've just thought I was filming and I wasn't. I've done it. Nobody, I repeat, nobody that I've seen, or maybe I've skipped it, tells you how hard it is to do this. I've chosen to do it on one of the hottest nights in the UK. I'm absolutely sweating. I think I've done this rubbish, like I think the parting's rubbish. That I can't see. I think I've got my sideburns up there right now. This, I physically cannot get it any higher. That's as high as it's gonna go. I mean, I'm due to start some new medication for my arthritis that might make my hair fall out, so I figured one last hurrah, let's just go for it. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. Right then. Good old kitchen scissors. I don't have any hairdressing scissors. Sorry, Brad. Do apologise. Oh. This is where Brad really encourages people to cut loads off, but I genuinely don't think I can do it. But also, I don't think I can fucking tie this up again. I need to cut more off. What should we do? Can you see? Is that too much? I'm gonna actually cry if I cut my hair off there. I'm that type of person. I can maybe face the mirror instead of you guys. Oh, I'm just gonna do that. Oh, should I do it? Oh. Oh. Oh my god, I've done it. Oh my god, that's so short. That's not a lot, is it? Grow up, Charlie. That's like nothing. Oh, well, that's all I'm doing. I'm sorry. I can't do anymore. Right, I'm gonna feather it a bit. Brad hates when people do that. He says do it this way. So we're gonna do it that way. Probably not with kitchen scissors though. What else? Well, there's that. Let's do this piece. It is a fucking tangled mess. I think I might have to watch him talk about this point because this is the important bit, isn't it? I mean, is it all important? Probably. It's so easy to pull the hair back up and cut a bit more. Is it?
I'm going to do just, however, if okay, let's right there.
I'm being so dramatic, aren't I? It's not even that much, is it? Yeah, it's fucking a lot. That's a fucking lot. I'm envisaging crying in my future. Like, real bad. Should I just take it down and dye it and not pay attention? Because if I pay attention, this could be an all-nighter. I'm paying attention. I mean, it's not horrendous. It's not great though. Oh, now for the terrifying bit. Oh, that's short. That's really short. Oh my god, what have I done? Why is there long pieces and I missed a bit? What have I done? What the fuck have I done? I don't know what I've done. It's like these long straggly bits. Brad? Help me, Brad? What have we done? My hair is so knotty. I really should have done this on a better day than with greasy dry hair. I mean, this bit's cute-ish. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna cut these bits a bit more. Like, I'm just gonna do it like this. I don't know, I'm just gonna dye it. I'm just gonna see what happens. I mean, it feels better and thicker. I don't know, I think it might be right. I think it might be right. Right, moving on to portion 2. Let's shampoo the hair. Let me just check the instructions. I've gloved up. I've put an old t-shirt on. Just gonna crack it on. We're gonna crack it on. It's literally just a tube. It's semi-permanent, so it's not gonna have like a part A and a part B. Not gonna lie, not hold out much hope for it, but I mean, fingers crossed. Okay, let's go. I feel like I'm like really forgetting something. Oh, I was actually gonna use Vaseline this time, wasn't I? I never do this. If you watch any of my other hair dye videos, I'm always that tit with dye all over her face. Let's try it, shall we? Be fancy. No, we really can't be asked to do anywhere else though, so that'll do. generally I whack it on, I don't actually care shit. Is this even gonna be enough? But maybe I'll do the ends first and then do the roots. I usually always end up with bright red roots because I'm a divvy. I didn't section my hair, that's what I've done wrong. My partner has no idea I'm doing this. He's gonna get back from the pub and go, what the fuck have you done? My hair. Looks like it's falling down already. No, genuinely, I am on medication though that also makes it fall out, but then I'm going to be on more that makes it fall out even more, so. Oh my god, I'm sweating so badly. Nearly. That didn't wake him, his room's right there. This is the portion of the video where I put a co-op bag on my head. Just to keep it out of the way, essentially. It doesn't do anything, I don't think. Imagine Brad Mondo actually does react to this and I'm just stood here with a co-op bag on my head. So it says leave on for 20 to 30 minutes for regular development time. And then if you want to do pastel, like 5 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for half an hour. I'll probably see it tomorrow because it's the evening, you're not gonna be able to see it, so I'll wait till it's the daytime. Okay, so it's the next day, I'm facing the window. Spoiler, it's not staying this colour. I'll just show you the colour it has come out. Bear with. Sort of the sun is sort of setting, so I can't really show you very well. The cut, I'm quite happy with the cut, like it's nice. It's brighter at the roots, obviously, like we thought it would be. And then it is darker on the ends, but it is still, you can't see, but it is still a red. I don't know if the bathroom light will show it better. We're going in the bathroom in a sec. I'm going to use, I haven't got it, it's downstairs, A Directions, one of the little semi-permanent colour thingies that you whack on in the colour Rubine. I've used it before. It comes out such a beautiful, vibrant ruby red with like pinky purple undertones. It's really nice. Whilst this colour is okay, like it's fine, I just don't care for this colour kind of red. Like it's a bit of like a postbox red and it's just not, it's not like special enough. I want it to be more special and like a nicer colour. So we're going to crack that one on. But I mean, if you had dark hair like me and you want to use the Schwarzkopf dye, this is what it turns out like. It's not the worst. I don't know if I can get a photo better somewhere. Maybe I'll have to try a clip on my phone. This is on my phone. You can see it a bit better on my phone. It's just, it's all right. It's just not a very nice red, I don't think. So I'm going to crack on the other one. See you in the bathroom, bye. So this is what I'm using. I got a double pack off Amazon. I'll link them down below if you want them. Rubine. I'll show you it when I open it. So you need to shampoo your hair again with this one. So I'm going to shampoo it now, then whack it on. I'll probably get through like a tub of that, I reckon. And then yeah, eggy dekey, we're all shampooed and ready to go. Remember, this stuff gets everywhere. Yay! What a glorious colour. Right then. Oh, I was going to do Vaseline again, weren't I? This one does stain a lot. Shit. Yes. This colour is so good. That'll do. Don't actually have any co-op bags this evening. There's no co-op bags left. So I'm just gonna have to stick it and hope for the best. Shit, it stained my sink. Right, I'm going to attempt to go get this off myself. What was the point of the gloves, Charlie? And again, I guess I'll see you tomorrow because it's night time, so we want to wait for daytime. I think it's going to be good though. Stick around, stick around. So this is how we've turned out. I really like it. I think it's cute. I probably should have blow dried it after it was wet because I did air dry, it went frizzy, and then obviously I wanted to straighten it today, so I straightened it. I try and do flicky face frame and stuff, but it just falls out, it doesn't stay. I don't know why it does it. My hair's just a bit of a limp dick, I won't lie, it's not the best. But I mean, it feels thicker now that I've cut the ends off. Yeah, I like the colour. I'll show you the colour in the daylight a bit better because I don't know why this window isn't great. But it's cute. I mean, it has stained my scalp a bit, but that will wash off on the next wash. Also worth noting, if you use those directions hair dyes, if you ever use them, when you're washing it off, the water is never going to run clear. It's always going to be somewhat red. Like, whenever I'm trying to wash it off, I stand there for about 10 minutes. I'm like, I'm bored now, I'm done. So I condition it, wash it, get out, and then once it dries, it like sucks it up. I don't know, like, it's not too bad, but it will stain your towel also. It does come off in the wash usually, but yeah, just worth noting. I'll try to go back that window, hang on. I like it.